children, good morning. Welcome back to your SST class. Children, last class I already completed your lesson number 9. So today in this class I will go to textbook exercises. So children, open your SST textbook page number 74. And children, all of you open. You just open your textbook, children, page number 74. So in the page number 74, what is there, children? So glossary words is there. Yes or no? Once again, I will repeat the glossary words. So first word, what is there? Antiseptic. In your glossary words, what is the first word? I am not going to write the meanings, I am just write the words. So first word, antiseptic. So what is the meaning of antiseptic, children? Antiseptic is a substance that helps to prevent infection in wounds by killing germs. So next word, administrator. So what is the meaning of administrator, children? Given first aid, medicines, etc. to somebody. So next word, bleeding. Bleeding. So what is the meaning of bleeding, children? The process of losing blood from the body, we call bleeding. Next, gauze. So it is a type of clothes, children. A type of a thin cloth used for covering or protecting wounds. So next one, uncomfortable. What is the meaning of uncomfortable, children? Not feeling physically comfortable and are anxious, afraid and unable to relax. So next word, trustworthy. Trustworthy ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾರು ತುಂಬ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇರ್ತಲ್ಲ, ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅಂಥ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳು, ನಂಬುವಂಥ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳು. Trustworthy people. So trustworthy means someone that you can rely on to be good, honest and sincere. Honest ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಪ್ರಾಮಾಣಿಕವಾಗಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು. So trustworthy people. So children, next when you come to the textbook exercises, it is there page number 75. Open your page number 75, children. 75, your textbook exercises. So what is there? In the first main, fill in the blanks. What is there? Fill in the blanks. So fill in the blanks. First one, what is that, children? We should walk on the dash while walking along a road. We should walk on the footpath while walking along a road. We should walk on the footpath. Answer is footpath while walking along a road. While walking along a road. Next, we should not talk on the dash while driving. We should not talk on the phone while driving. We should not talk on the phone while driving. Suppose if we are driving, we should not talk on the phone. So it is also one traffic rules. Yes or no children? While driving. Next, third one, we should use the dash to cross the road. We should use the zebra cross. We should use the zebra cross to cross the road. Fourth one, we should press a dash area with cotton or gauze piece to stop the bleeding. So what is the answer children? Which area we have to press? We should press a wounded area with cotton or gauze piece to stop the bleeding. To stop the bleeding. Next, fifth one, antiseptic lotion and cotton can be found in a which box children? First aid box. Antiseptic lotion and cotton can be found in a first aid box. First aid box. The answer is first aid box. So children, fill in the blanks is over. Next, when you come to the true or false, it is in B main. Just see that, write true or false. So write true or false. So children, what is the first one? Road accidents can be avoided if we follow traffic signals. True or false children? It is true, because if you follow traffic signals, we can avoid the accidents. Yes or no? So answer is true. Road accidents can be avoided if we follow traffic signals. Answer is true. Next, second one, red lights indicate that vehicles are ready to go. True or false children? The answer is false. The red lights indicates that vehicle should stop, not ready to go. So answer is false. Red lights indicate that vehicles are ready to go. Next, we should not run if our clothes are on fire. True or false, children? Answer is true. Because here not is there, children. We should not run if our clothes are on fire. Only one word is there, children. Suppose if your not is not there, we should run if our clothes are on fire. The sentence is wrong. Then the sentence should be wrong. So here what is there? We should not run if our clothes are on fire. You just read the sentences very carefully, children. We should not run if our clothes are on fire. So the answer is true. Next, fourth one. We should apply antiseptic lotion after the bleeding has stopped. True. We should apply antiseptic lotion after the bleeding has stopped. True. Next, fifth one, children. We should call the police and get very scared when there is a minor injury. The answer is true or false? So you just read the sentence very carefully. What is there? We should call the police and get very scared when there is a minor injury. So here what is there? Minor is there, not major injury. So it's okay if you not call the police also, it's okay. So answer is false. Only when we have to call the accidents is very serious and the major accidents, when the major accidents is happened, that time we have to call the police. The answer is false. Small accidents we not call the police. It's okay. It will be okay. Suppose if you are any major accidents is happened, that time we have to must and should call. We just call the police and we have to inform the police. So ಅಂದರೆ ಸಣ್ಣ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಲೈಕ್ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಹೋಗುವಾಗ ಸ್ಕಿಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಬೀಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಣ್ಣ ಪುಟ್ಟ ಗಾಯ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅಂಥ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಪೊಲೀಸವ್ರನ್ನ ಕರಿಬೇಕಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿರೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಈಗ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಡ್ ಆಚೆ ಈಚೆ ಆದರೂ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್, ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಮೈನರ್ ಈಸ್ ದೇರ್. ಮೈನರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ very small. We should call the police and get very scared when there is a minor injury. The answer is false. Now children, your true or false is over. when you come to the next exercises, C main. Look at the pictures and identify the traffic symbols. So children, look at your C main. See children, here given some different types of traffic symbols. So what is there in your C main? Look at the pictures, identify the traffic symbols. So here first one, what is there children here? See the arrow mark is, which side is it? The arrow mark is left side. So the answer is left curve edge. So here the arrow mark is right side. So we have to, which symbol it is? Right curve, right curve. Next, in third picture, here given so it is school is there. So school head. So in the fourth picture, it is given speed limit. So we have to speed limit 65. It shows the speed limit. Next, last picture, stop. So the symbols, it shows stop. So here is the picture. You have to write this. First picture, it is left curve ahead, right curve ahead, school ahead, speed limit, and last picture is stop. So children, so A, B, C main is over. When you come to the D main, so question answers is there. Question answers, I will send it in PDF. So E main, so look at the picture. E main, study the picture and answer the questions that follow. What is the first question? First one, name this. What is this? It is a zebra crossing. And the second question, why is it used and by whom? So it is used to cross the road, by it is used by pedestrians. So this E main also I will send it in PDF. So hope you are all understand A, B and C main and D main and E main. All mains you have to write in CW children. Once I send it in PDF, you just write A, B, C, D, E main also in your CW. You have to write very neatly. So children, when you come to the today homework, so what is the today homework? You just write it, write down homework. So write A, B and C mains. C mains in HW book. In HW one time. Only you have to write one time children. Write A, B, C mains, fill in the blanks, true or false, and look at the pictures and identify the traffic symbols. 3 mains is there. Now you have to write in your HW book how many times? 1 times. So children, now your midterm portions is over, everything is over. Children, once you have to look at open the page number 77. So children, here term paper is there. In this class only I will give that answers. You just open the page number 77 children. 77. Here what is there? Term paper 1. Term paper 1 is there. You have to write all answers in your test books only. Here space is there. Now you have to write all answers in here only. Take down. Open the page number 77. Term paper first. What is there first? What is the first main is there here? Children, in term paper first, fill in the blanks is there. Children, here before I am going to tell the answer, I will complete this. Children, term paper is there, no? It is all lessons is there. How many lessons is there in your term, midterm? So in total, full one part, first semester, total 9 lessons are there, children, but 2 lessons are eliminated. So lesson number 5 and lesson number 7 is not there in your midterm examination. So in others lessons are there. So totally 7 lessons are there. But in term paper is there, it is all mixture, children. Here 9 lessons are there. But I am just tell the answers only 7 lessons. So write that. First one, fill in the blanks. So children, I am just write the answers only. First one, a group of people who are dashed to each other are called a family. Which lesson it is? First lesson. So a group of people who are related to each other. So a group of people who are related to each other is called family. In second one, when we meet new people, we learn more about their culture. It is in second lesson. Culture. Next, dash transport is the most expensive means of transports. So third lesson it is air transport. Air transport is the most expensive means of transport. Next, fourth one, dash can be general physicians or specialists. Doctors. Answer is doctors. It is in sixth lesson, community helpers lesson, children. In last fifth one, we should always stand in a dash while boarding the school bus. It is a 8th lesson. The safety rules is there, no? So that lesson, we should always stand in a queue. So your fill in the blanks is over. In B main, match the following is there, children. Once again I will write this. So match the following. Match the following. Here A column and B column. So first one, what is there? Gondola. In which lesson it is, children? It is a third lesson. The transport lesson is there, no? Next, marriage. Marriage, it is a first lesson. Birthday. Birthday, it is a fifth lesson, it is, children. The timeline, in fifth lesson only that months and calendar, that lesson is there. So next, traffic signals. Traffic signals. Next, fifth one, sequencing. This is also fifth lesson, children. Sequencing. So that B main, what is there? Personal calendar. Personal calendar. Next, timeline. Next, water transport. Water transport. New member in the family. Next, sequencing. What is there? Next, safety on the road. So children, it is including fifth lesson also in the match the following. You just look at this now, answers. So gondola, we know that it is in third lesson, and marriage is also know it is in first lesson, and traffic signals, it is in ninth lesson. Yes sir, I hope you all understand. You just leave that 2 questions is there, no, birthday and sequencing, you just leave that. So now we are go to the answers. Gondola, it is a one type of water transport. Yes or no? Yes. Gondola is a water transport. When marriage, so marriage here, see here, new member in the family. Yes or no? Marriage is means new member is added to our family. So birthday and sequencing you have to leave that. Traffic signals. Traffic signals means safety on the road. So remaining how many are there? Remaining 2 are there. So birthday, it is considered as personal calendar, children. Yes or no? If you see the calendar, you not see the birthday, birthday, but we have to mention in personal calendar. So sequencing means timeline. If you know that, you just write it. So this is the match the following. You just write it. So when you come to the next semen, write true or false. When true or false. Semen, true or false. So first one, in some families, children live with only one parent. True. We can see so many families, the children live with only one parent, either the father or mother. Next, changes never make us upset and comfortable. See the sentences here. Children, what is there here? Second, changes never make us upset and uncomfortable is there. So here never is there. So the answer is false. But if you remove the never, changes make us upset and uncomfortable, it is right. But here what is there? You just, when you going to answer any questions, you just first what we have to do it, first you have to read the question very properly, children. So here what is there? So if your never is there, the answer is false. Suppose never is not there, what happened? The answer should be right, true. So you just read the sentence very carefully. Don't get confused. So read the sentence very properly and you just write it. Changes, what is there here? Changes never make us upset and uncomfortable is there. So the answer is false. Next, third one, an e-rickshaw is a type of land transport. Yes, true. Next, fourth one, only some of us need community helpers to live in a society. No, everybody need community helpers to live in a society. The answer is false. Next, fifth one, a serious illness often makes a person weak and dependent on others. It is in 7th lesson. So answer is true. Because if any elders persons is there, serious illness often makes a person weak and dependent on others. Absolutely. So answer is true. So in D main, choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. So first one, a nuclear family is made up of parents and their children. Answer is children. Their parents and children. Next, second one, a neighborhood may have all of this. All of this. Next, the 3 different types of transport are air, water and what is there? Land. Next, a dash is not a unit of time. It is a 5th lesson. So you don't write. But answer is sequence. So next, fifth one, you just leave the fourth one. The dash is a storage of information. So internet is a storage of information. Internet. So fourth one, it is in fifth lesson. So children, hope you all understand. When you come to the today homework, you just complete your term paper first in your test book and write it one time in your HW, because once you have to recall it. So what is today homework? You just write term paper 1, page number, it is in 77, page number, one time in HW. In HW. So hope you all understand children. And fifth e-mail is there, answer the following is there, you just recall it. So hope you all understand children. Now your all first term syllabus is over. Hope you all understand. So children, we will meet in next class. Thank you children.